is the same. What is the pump number?
Pump number P101B and D.
Potential high level, check valve, and pump damage. And you have go standby pump.
Yeah, it is standby, one working one.
And the pump overload trip will happen.
Yeah.
LS is there.
Yeah.
LS is there.
Yeah.
Okay, pump discharge, close valve. What is the BB number? Valve number? Valve number.
Valve number is check valve.
Mr. Chairman, sign.
Yeah.
Sign.
Go ahead.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing? Since
Yes.
morning, I don't know.
101B.
Sorry?
We are here on note number 4.
Yes.
And,
Why are you writing down without Tim's assistance?
Sorry?
Why are you writing down things without Tim's input?
What's he saying?
Why you are writing down without assistance? Without
Okay, madam. I hope you are late in joining when we started.
Nonetheless, whatever that you're doing, you need to get an input from Tim. Otherwise, you do it at your office and then share it with us.
No. This pump we discussed. We discussed in the beginning. If the pump trips, so there is a high level in the tank, and process of.
If you wanted to, if these items are all discussed, right? Then you can take it to this as items. What I'm hearing all discussed. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Then you can do it. You can generate your output in some other time because we still need to finish the other node. Am I right?
No. I am on node number 4 now. Okay.
Okay.
Let me again start. I think you are late. Okay, so we were discussing node number 4, and we were trying to get no and less flow. So first we started from no and less flow.